Hello my friends and welcome to another Tuesday of tutorial. I am Leonardo Perez Nieto and today I will show you an interesting effect using ink and bleach. With this we will paint a little landscape. Inks react differently with bleach depending on their composition. In this case we will use Montegrappa black fountain pen ink. Let's apply it on a small watercolor piece of paper, like so, pretty fully and wet, and then with a clean brush we add bleach. Let's do this horizontally, sometimes starting from the left and others from the right to even it out. Grabbing more bleach is needed. We will paint a little waterscape at night, and the idea is that we have the dark sky and we open up some areas with more light. It is starting to dry a little bit, but we can still add bleach if we want to. Down here it is still pretty wet, as you see. Okay, good. Now let's leave it alone to let it dry completely. Alright, now that it is dry, I will draw with a fountain pen. Let's sketch the horizon line, first just with a broken line to see more or less where I am going, and then we do the line. A thick line, like this. It will be like the land on the horizon. We draw it at roughly about 1/3 from the bottom. The list of materials that I am using is in the description below the video. I flip the pen around because it draws much thinner in this way. And with it, we draw some trees. This will be the tallest one. We make some branches and the foliage. By the way, I love the effect of the ink that you can see behind the trees. It looks like it is raining or something. And then let's do some other ones, like so. Just a silhouette, not much detail at all. Some smaller plants, and then some more trees over here. Okay, good. Then let's draw a reflection on the water. Pretty much the same things we see above, but a little bit wavy, not precisely. I learned this ink and bleach effect from the Instagram account of my friend Sandy Alnock. Check it out, she has beautiful and interesting things. To give some more life to this, let's draw some birds over here. This watercolor paper absorbs the ink very much, so we need to be careful. And a third one over here. Just like this. Very good, excelente! Let's give it the last touches, the last details, and it's ready. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, subscribe to Fine Art Tips if you haven't done so already, click on the little bell to get notifications of new videos, and I will see you with more art on Tuesday.